Good. This is a Polo. Just got a common issue with the evaporator leaking. So evaporates in the air conditioning distributor box inside. So you need to have a dash out. So Autobunkerz air con specialist, a European car. We do provide that sort of jobs. So you have to take a whole dash out. So quite common, fairly common on Volkswagen Polo. And then Golfs as well. So anyway, if you don't, the air conditioning is not blowing cold air and then leaking out, like within a week, just visit us and we can check for you. Thanks so much. Bye. Alright, so before I taking the dash out, probably disconnect the battery because you're gonna take it with the airbag unit, so better to take it off the battery. Maybe shorting later, just in case. And then take it off radiator, take it off glove box, and then center console you gotta take it off. Take this chair as well, rests, and then they've got the bolt in there and there, so take it off center console. And then hold these, probably take it off a pillar, that, and yeah, well, it looks easy, but yeah, well, and then this one, just trick to press, and then turn, so turn, and take it off. All right, and then display instrument panel as well. So, yep. All right, just two hidden bolts here, Torx 20, and then one hidden bolt. 1, 2, two hidden bolt, 1, 2. They've got that for the radio taken off, and this will come out later once you remove this sound console. Anyway, yep. So okay, Polo got a hidden bolt here underneath, and then at the back of it here got another bolt, and then other side too, and then now you can take it off now. Yeah, just have that airbag, so the 10mm here as well. So yep. So for the glove box, we've got one over there, and then two over there, and then three underneath, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, at the top. So gotta remove all the bolts, and then this one 5x4 unit. So use a radio tool, you need a 2, and then just insert it here, and then you can remove this one, and then after that this whole thing come out. Yep, you're gonna just take it off the air pack, so that hidden bolt here. Okay, on a passenger airbag, so this is back together. So the bolts is line up. You got a mark on it, so line up with that, and then it's a bit better, but there it is, 13mm at the back. The back of the backfire over. So, and then I would connect this one before you put it all back together. So I put connected, and then this one goes into that, so line up with the bone structure. So there we go. Air distributor box taken off, and then replace that. Then make sure you need to get a seal for evap. Make sure that you're using genuine seal, and then TX valve as well. And then when you put it in, just be careful with this one, it can be jammed. Yeah, this is AC, the water dripping from the evap, so make sure that, and then heater core OSIS. So that's it.